Pixel 10 gaming still stutters? Google says GPU fixes are coming, and soon. Google confirmed regular GPU driver updates in monthly and quarterly patches for Pixel 10. September and October already included GPU improvements, with more on the way. Tensor G5 runs cooler, but high-end games like Genshin Impact still lag, largely blamed on outdated GPU drivers. Pixel 10 ships with driver v24.3, while Imagination's newer v25.1 supports Android 16 and Vulkan 1.4. Google hasn't shipped that yet. Even Android 16 QPR2 Beta 3.1 didn't add the new drivers. Improvements are promised. Timeline isn't. This is your Extra Byte from 11th Byte. Will driver updates finally make Pixel 10 a real gaming phone?